Algebra 1 review, problem 10. How do you determine whether a relation is a function? Whether a relation is a function if no x value repeats and the relation passes the vertical line test. The vertical line test. The vertical line test says that if you draw a vertical line through the graph of a function and you cross the graph twice, like here and here, or here and here, then that relation is not a function. Why not? Because it fails the vertical line test. (3x plus 4), we can graph. We see that it's a line. A, B, and C are all functions. X never repeats. D fails the vertical line test. Problem 12. Does this graph represent a function? Yes, because my x values never repeat and because I have exactly one output for every input. What is, if x is -1, what's the output? Well, here's -1. My output is 4. Okay, if my output is -4, this is a really good problem, by the way. If my output is -4, -1, -2, -3, -4, if my output is -4, what was my input? Well, here is -4. My input had to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My input had to be 5. What is my output when x is 0? Well, that would be +1. Given the function f of x equals 3x plus 2, find the output. If x is 4, 3 multiplied times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Now, this says my output is -4. If my output is -4, what was my input? I don't know. But can I figure it out? Of course I can. And so can you. Okay? -4 is equal to 3x plus 2. Subtract 2 from both sides. That gives me -6 equals 3x. I divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. That gives me 1x, or just x, the way mathematicians write it. -6 divided by 3 is -2. If x is -2, is my output -4? Let's see. 3 times -2 is -6, plus 2 is negative 4. So, yep, I am right and I can prove it.